This is just a cute little hairstyle where you can just dress your hair up for date night and, you know, just give it a little extra oomph. And I'm just doing a simple twist out, and I'm just gonna speed it up. I don't even remember what products I used, but it's just a simple twist out and blow dried hair, and then you're gonna see me twisting my ends just to get that curl because my hair was blown out. So I'm just gonna speed this up here, and I'm just twisting my whole head up. And then right here, you're just gonna see me twisting my ends up just to give it that curl and finish it, tie everything in. I really love this hairstyle because I was just trying to do something new, and really, like, blow drying your hair just gives you a whole different feel. It's like your hair is straight, but it's not. So this was a pleasant change for me. This is crazy. My hair looks so good. It's never looked this good. I hope you guys like this video. Comment, like, subscribe, any questions you guys have, just make sure you ask me below. Let me know if you like this type of content, my natural hair videos. If you'd like to see anything else, just let me know. Comment down below. Alright ladies, have a great date night. Thanks for watching.